Today we're going to be installing the LED interior kit from OPT7 Aurora Pro. Let's start with seeing what's on the box. You guys will have 4 light strips, a cigarette power supply, 2 white splitters, a Bluetooth control box, 4 extensions, some zip ties, some mounting brackets and velcros. Some tools that are going to be useful for this installation: you need a T20 screwdriver, and you're going to need some plastic trim removal tools. So first thing we're going to start is with the Bluetooth control box setup. I already have the lighter power supply right here, so I got the cable here, and I'm just going to try to run this outside the center console without any drilling. I'm just gonna place this behind the center console down there. I have to go down here. Same thing. So removal. You're gonna hear a clip. Just gently gonna pull out. So now that we have that out, I want to remove this piece right here in order to be able to place the control box back here, and then just run the cable down there, and then we can just get the white splitters to for the other cables that are gonna go down here. I'm just gonna get my T20 screwdriver. So once the screws are out, we can just kind of like pull down here. You're gonna start feeling it coming up, and then there you go, it's off. Get the QR code and scan it just so you can get the app, because once I close this up, it's just gonna make it harder to scan it. I'm just gonna go and clean this right here with some wipes. Put the Velcro in. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this so it sticks. This is some auxiliary cables for a door assist. We're not gonna be doing that on the installation. I don't want to cut it just in case I want to do it in the future, but for now I'm just gonna tuck it in back here. I'm just gonna go and tuck them in back here. Make sure that the tip of the cable is protected. Here I got the splitters. I'm gonna plug in one splitter here. Let's plug this one in. Just gonna move up to finish running the wire from the lighter cigarette power supply. Plug it in here so that way I can close this down, and then we can move to moving the cables, running the cables. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back on. Screws go to the bottom. This still on here. Make sure that I plug this back in that we took off. Let's plug it in, and it should clip back in. Now I'm gonna go put on the whole screws. I just plugged in the 2 long extensions. Now I'm gonna move to the front so I can move this panel here. We're just gonna run the cable through here so I can take them to the front of the car. I'm just gonna leave this connectors back here so they don't get damaged. Get your tool in there just to give me better access to the panel here. And then now it's gonna be a little bit more flexible, so I can just put the cable through here, be able to connect it. So I'm just gonna wipe this a little bit, just clean it up a little bit. Just clean this up with some alcohol. The box came with this. This is actually some glue promoter for the sticks, or for the 3DM. So I'm just gonna take this out. I'm gonna take one wipe out. So I'm just gonna take this, put it through here. This, I took out the screw, so now we can just reach it from here. Alright, so I zip tied the excess cable here. I have just what I need, enough just to run that cable, and you just plug it in there. So I'm just gonna put the LED right here, just so I can access the connection. I just click this in, click this in. Just put this back on. So just gonna put this back in. I'm gonna put it in the leather area down here. If I put it in this area right here, I know people are just gonna kick on it. So I'm just gonna hide it down here. Plus, it's not gonna be as visible. I'm gonna take this extension, plug this in here, and look under the rail. Just gonna plug this in just to make sure that it works. Finish up putting the strong grip double-sided tape on this. I removed the other one, prep the area so it is all done. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it lower this time. There we go. So now that we have the LEDs on, the only thing left is just to cover where we have the cables. Align the clips, push,